The rise and fall of ancient civilizations is a topic that has captured the interest of historians, archaeologists, and the general public for centuries. These societies left behind rich cultural, scientific, and artistic legacies that continue to influence modern society. When exploring the stories of powerful empires like the Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Mayans, it's important to first understand how these societies thrived. One key factor was the development of sophisticated systems of government, trade, and infrastructure. The Egyptians, for example, built massive pyramids and temples and established a complex bureaucracy to manage their vast empire. The Greeks, on the other hand, developed a system of democracy and made significant contributions to philosophy, literature, and science. The Romans built an extensive network of roads, aqueducts, and public buildings and established a powerful military that helped them conquer vast territories. The Mayans, known for their impressive architecture and advanced mathematical and astronomical systems, also established a complex system of trade and government. Another important factor in the success of these ancient civilizations was their ability to adapt to their environments. The Egyptians, for example, developed a complex system of irrigation to support their agriculture, while the Mayans used advanced techniques to farm in the difficult terrain of the Yucatan Peninsula. The Greeks used their access to the sea to develop a thriving maritime trade, while the Romans built an extensive system of aqueducts to supply their cities with water. However, despite their impressive achievements, all of these civilizations eventually declined and fell. One factor that contributed to their decline was over-reliance on resources and expansion beyond sustainable limits. For example, the Romans became overextended in their efforts to conquer new territories and maintain their vast empire, leading to financial strain and military defeat. Another factor was external pressures, such as invasions or natural disasters. The Mayans, for example, suffered a severe drought that is believed to have contributed to the collapse of their civilization. Internal factors such as corruption, political instability, and social unrest also contributed to the downfall of these ancient civilizations. The Greeks, for example, were plagued by infighting and power struggles that weakened their ability to defend against external threats. The Egyptians faced periods of political instability and corruption that undermined their ability to maintain their empire. In conclusion, exploring the rise and fall of ancient civilizations can provide insight into the factors that contribute to the success and eventual decline of societies. By studying the achievements and challenges faced by these civilizations, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex factors that shape human history. Egypt. One of the most impressive achievements of the ancient Egyptians was the construction of the pyramids, which served as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built for the pharaoh Khufu in the 26th century BCE, is one of the largest and most complex structures ever built. The Egyptians also developed a complex system of hieroglyphic writing, which was used for religious texts, royal decrees, and administrative records. In addition, the Egyptians were skilled in medicine, astronomy, and mathematics. However, despite their impressive achievements, the Egyptians faced a number of challenges that eventually led to their decline. One major factor was over-reliance on the Nile River, which provided water for irrigation and transportation. As the climate changed and the river's flow became less predictable, the Egyptians struggled to maintain their agricultural system. In addition, external pressures, such as invasions by foreign powers, weakened the Egyptian state. Greece. The ancient Greeks are known for their contributions to philosophy, literature, art, and science. They developed the first system of democratic government, which allowed citizens to participate in decision-making. They also made important advances in mathematics, such as the discovery of the Pythagorean theorem, and in medicine, such as the development of the Hippocratic Oath. However, the Greeks also faced challenges that led to their eventual decline. One factor was the constant infighting between city-states, which weakened their ability to defend against external threats. The Peloponnesian War, fought between Athens and Sparta in the 5th century BCE, left both sides weakened and vulnerable to invasion. In addition, the Greeks suffered from economic and social instability, as well as internal conflicts over religion and philosophy. Rome. The Roman Empire was one of the most powerful and influential empires in world history. The Romans built an extensive system of roads, aqueducts, and public buildings, and established a powerful military that allowed them to conquer vast territories. They also made important contributions to law, art, and literature. However, the Romans faced a number of challenges that eventually led to their decline. One factor was over-reliance on slavery, which prevented the development of a strong middle class and led to social unrest. In addition, the Romans faced economic challenges, such as inflation and a widening gap between rich and poor. External pressures, such as invasions by barbarian tribes, weakened the Roman military and left the empire vulnerable to collapse. Maya. The Maya civilization, which flourished in present-day Mexico and Central America from the 3rd to the 10th centuries CE, is known for its impressive architecture, advanced mathematical and astronomical systems, and intricate hieroglyphic writing. The Maya built elaborate cities and temples, and developed a complex system of trade and government. However, the Maya also faced a number of challenges that contributed to their decline. One major factor was environmental degradation, including deforestation and soil erosion, which led to agricultural collapse and population decline. In addition, external pressures, such as invasions by neighboring tribes and states, weakened the Maya state and left them vulnerable to collapse. Internal factors, such as political instability and social unrest, also contributed to the decline of the Maya civilization. Thanks for watching.